from Watch Learn Eat. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite things to eat, avocado toast. So if you're like me, you absolutely love avocado toast, but you're probably looking for some other ways to make it to change things up a little bit. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to enjoy avocado toast, and that is with some tomato. For this recipe, I'm going to be using some cherry tomatoes. You can use larger tomatoes, or you could use grape tomatoes, whatever you like. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is toast 2 slices of your favorite bread. I'm using sourdough. You can use any one you like, gluten-free if needed. And then you want to take a ripe avocado and you want to scoop out the flesh into a small bowl. And then the next thing you're going to do is mash that avocado up. Okay, and into your mashed avocado, you're going to add some lemon juice. Okay, so we'll add that lemon juice. Right, so keep mashing, mixing in the lemon juice. Right, looks good to me. All right, once that is done, you can set that aside for a moment, and then you can slice up your tomatoes. So you can slice these cherry tomatoes into thirds. I find that works best. Hi, Charcoal. So my cat, yes, my cat loves avocado. I know that sounds crazy. He really loves avocado. I don't think he likes it with lemon though. We're not gonna find out. But every time I make avocado toast or anything with avocado, he begs for avocado. Yes, I have a very interesting cat. If you have an interesting cat that does some weird stuff, feel free to share it in the comments below. Okay, so once your tomatoes are cut up, you can start preparing your toast. So you want to take the mashed avocado and just spread it across your toast slices. Okay. Sorry, Charcoal, it has lemon in it today. We'll have to get you some plain one later. Okay, so I'll just use that up. Okay. Alright. So you can either share this with a friend or a loved one, or you can eat both yourself. Depends on how hungry you are. It's good for breakfast or lunch. Last night I actually ate it for dinner. Just taking the kids back and forth to dance. Needed something quick. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright, so then once you have that done, you are going to put your tomatoes on your toast. And just kind of put them around until you use them all up. Okay. It's a nice color, right? Green and red. It's like Christmas toast. Okay, so there we go. All right, so once that is done, the next thing you want to do is add the salt and pepper. So you sprinkle some salt to taste, and then some pepper. Okay, and then the next thing I like to add to this is some extra virgin olive oil. You can also change up the flavor by adding like a garlic flavored olive oil. I like to do that sometimes too. Oopsies. Okay, so you're just gonna drizzle a little bit on there. Drizzle. Okay. And on the other one, that one got more, but it's okay. All right, and then this is my favorite part of this recipe, is using a balsamic glaze. So it's made with balsamic vinegar, but it has a sweetener in it. It's a thick version of balsamic vinegar. If you never had balsamic glaze before, super good. So it's tangy and sweet and adds a really nice flavor to the avocado toast. All right, now you can eat it the way it is, or sometimes I like to add some lemon zest. So you can just add a little bit on there, and it's got a little stuck. Okay. If you want, like I said, you can skip this part but it adds a little nice flavor to it as well. Okay, as much as you like. All right, and so now you have your tomato avocado toast, and it's my favorite time, I can't talk today, taste test time. So let's see how it is. All right, here we go. Very, very good. All those flavors mesh really well together. Those juicy tomatoes with the fresh avocado and that sweet glaze on top. Perfect. All right, so avocado toast lovers, I hope you join me making this toast. Thanks for watching.